My name is Naomi and I'm from secondary 1. And today I'm going to present a presentation about photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is a process where plants and other organisms convert light energy into chemical energy that can later be used and released by the plants. So the plants convert the energy from the light sources, and it will make the light sources into energy for them to use and to be released. The process of photosynthesis. So photosynthesis needs light, water, and carbon dioxide to make the process successful. And the plants can take it from the roots, and the light from any light sources, but the best is the sun, and the carbon dioxide from humans. So the chlorophyll is the one who absorbs the light from the light sources. And after it is finished, the plants will produce the food, and it will release oxygen, which is given off into air, and sugar, and it is stored food in other parts of the plants and turns iodine dark blue. The function of photosynthesis: to make food for plants, obviously, and to provide oxygen for humans because it releases the oxygen from the process of photosynthesis. And third, to provide healthy food for humans because plants is the main producer in the food chain. And fourth, to avoid global warming because it decreases the number of pollution in our earth. What is stomata? Stomata is used for gas exchange, and it is mostly found on the undersurface of a leaf. So stomata is the one who absorbs carbon dioxide from us humans, and it will later release the water and oxygen for us humans to breathe. What is phloem and xylem? Phloem is a part of plants which carry foods to all parts of the plants, and xylem is a part of plants which carry water from the roots to the leaf. So this is the example of the xylem vessel, and this is the example of the phloem vessel. So the xylem vessel, it carries water from the roots, and then it ends in the leaf. And after the food is finished in the leaf, the phloem vessels will transfer the food to other parts of the plant, and it will also transfer water. What is chlorophyll? Chlorophyll allows plants to absorb light, and chlorophyll is the green pigments which turns the leaf color into green. Plus of chlorophyll in autumn. In autumn, as we can see, the leaf color is colorful. So there is red, and then orange, and then purple, and then pink or blue or other color. And it is because the chlorophyll in autumn is not as many as in the summer. So the green color can cover the natural color of the leaf, which is orange, and then yellow, and other color, aside from green. What will happen if there is no photosynthesis? We will die. And reason one, there will be no oxygen, because if there is no plants, so there is no the oxygen will be decreased on Earth, and we can't breathe. So, and then reason two, every food chain relies on plants. So plants is the producer in the food chain, and if there is no plants, then what can the animals eat? And if there is no animal, what can we eat? So we will die. Can we use artificial light to make photosynthesis? Yes, we can, but it is better to use sunlight because it is unlimited and free. So you don't have to spend any money on it. And artificial light can only be used in the greenhouse, so we can use them in outside places like that. And I think it's a little bit expensive. So the conclusion. First, photosynthesis is a process where plants convert light energy into chemical energy that can be used or released. Second, photosynthesis is important for our lives. And third, stomata is used for gas exchange because it absorbs carbon dioxide and it releases the oxygen. And fourth, xylem and phloem are the cells of the plants and they transfer water and food from the roots and to the other parts of the plants. Fifth, chlorophyll is the part of plants which absorb sunlight and is the green pigments that make the plants green. And sixth, we will die without plants because there will be no oxygen and there will be no food for us. And seven, we can't use artificial light to make photosynthesis, but it is still better to use sunlight. Thank you, that's the end of my presentation. Is there any question? Yes?
Okay, so my question will be, is chlorophyll like a biological material? Is it living?
Yes, because without chlorophyll, the plants can't make food.
Why photosynthesis is very important?
Because, as I say, we will die without photosynthesis because there will be no production and there will be no oxygen. Other question?
What are the end products of photosynthesis?
Oxygen and sugar. So, there is no question again. So, that's the end of my presentation. Thank you.